We are very happy that Joe Brown is here from Accident Law Group. Good morning, Joe. How are you?
Great, yourself?
So good. We want to talk because I'm wanting to bring you in. One is that we got the social distance going on here.
You and I.
So when we get into an accident, people might be like, well, I don't want to get out of the car. I don't want that person or anything like that. But you're saying you got to do that, right?
You have to get out of the car, or you got to at least have the police come and get the information from each of you. But either way you cut it, unfortunately, you're going to have to interact with somebody, whether it's a police officer or the other person. If you get out, you exchange information quickly, and you're able to get out of the scene at least, you can cut that interaction to as little as possible.
Yeah, and you guys are so excited because you guys are working from home, for one, but also, two, you're here to help the community. And the reason why I say you're excited because you know there's people out there that are going to need your help, so you want them to come to you.
Well, you know what? Right now, things are crazy. I mean, you've got stress at home. The kids are home. They're not used to kids being home at this time of the year. You may be laid off from work, or you may be home from work. We can work with you. We let us take the stress off your plate. We can meet with you over the phone, so you can keep that social distance. In fact, I just sent an email out to all of our clients saying, listen, you need to set an appointment if you're going to come in. But almost everything we can do is over the phone right now. We're here. We're open. Our space. Our paralegals, our attorneys are here. They're available. We can answer your questions. And that's the other thing. People are home and they're like, hey, I got questions. I want to know what's going on. They're not thinking about that car accident they were in last week, and they're not feeling good. And where can I go to get treatment that's safe? Who's open, who's not open. All pitfalls that we can help walk you through.
Yeah. We know the kids are out of school, and that's one thing. You have a 16-year-old that's driving. Any tips you could tell those parents when it comes to an accident for the kids, because they are going to be out around and stuff?
Well, you know what? We're doing our best to keep our kids home, but they're antsy like we are. They want to get out sometimes. They find excuses to get out. I think you always want to tell your kids, I love you. You get in an accident, call me. I love you. The most important thing is you're okay. Let's make sure you're okay. It's a car. It can be replaced. Children can't be replaced. People can't be replaced. And there's a human factor to car accidents that a lot of people forget. And I think that's one thing that we always stress, and I always stress. And I've said with my daughter, listen, for lack of words, it happens.
Yeah.
Call me.
Right.
Yeah.
And you want them to remember, exchange the information just like if you were an adult.
Correct.
Doing it. You have it right in the glove box.
I put everything in a nice little envelope for my daughter. I was like, if you're ever pulled over, you're ever in a car accident, here it all is. It's an envelope. You just pull this envelope. It has everything you need. So, her car's situated better than mine. I'd probably be struggling to find out where it's at, but I make sure that she's taken care of, and that's what, we all do that for our kids.
Yeah. All right, Joe, I hate to do this. I got to put you on the spot. So here we go, and hopefully I'm not doing too much of putting you on the spot, but let's just say I get into an accident, I call the police, and they go, well, you know what, we're very taxed right now with other things going on. You guys exchange information and send us the report later. Is that okay to do if the police do? Because I know they're going to, with everything going on.
Take photos. Take photos of the scene. Take photos of the damage to the other car, the damage to your car. Take a photo of the other person's driver's license. I think those are the key things. Key issues I've always see is people then change the story on how it happened. You don't have the physical evidence to prove how it happened. If there was a witness, just get their name and number, let them leave, so they're not feeling like they're obligated to stay. We can track them down later and get a statement from them. And who was driving? That's the other one. I have one right now where the guy's like, oh, that wasn't me. Because the police didn't come out.
Yeah.
My clients looked at the guy's photograph. No, that's him. But now he's like, no, it wasn't me. Someone else was driving my car that day.
Yeah.
So those are key things I think of, and then you can go your own way. Let's not tax the system as much as we can, but you got to make sure you protect yourself, because unfortunately, insurance companies and people aren't always honest.
So, and there you go right there. Very important too. You just said about the insurance company. You guys work with them, and you want people to remember that even though you're a law group, you're there for them, because the insurance company sometimes, is bogged down too at stuff. So you're there to get them through that.
Oh yeah, they're all working from home. They're set up. Honestly, insurance companies are set up really well to work from home, but it makes things slower, and people are trying to get out. And where do I get my car fixed? How do I get my car fixed? Who's open? Who's not? Where can I go to the doctor? What doctor's offices are open? What doctor's offices aren't? I mean, we're here to guide you through all of those issues. Let us take this stress off your plate. One thing about Accident Law Group, we've done a lot here, we've done a lot in other places. We're here to serve the community. ALG is here to serve this community, and this is who we are, and we're part of this.
Love it. Tell them the website.
AccidentLawGroup.com.
There you go. Thanks, Joe.
Thank you.